Hey guys, welcome back to Cheeky Me. Today I'm going to be showing you the top 10 fidgets for school. My parents don't let me take fidgets to school, but if your parents do, then this is the top 10 for you. Coming in at number 10 are monkey noodles. They're super stretchy and super small so they can fit in your pocket if you have a pocket. But they are number 10, so they have to have a downside. The downside is it's so tempting to hit other people and your chair and swing them around. Coming in at number 9 are wacky tracks. The reason why wacky tracks are so good is because they're super small and they can fit in your pocket easily. But the downside of them, because they are number 9, is they make a little sound. Coming in at number 8 are dimples. Here's 3 dimples. Dimples are super small and easy to fit into your pocket. And some you can even have keychains that you can clip onto your pants if you're like playing with your friends or something. See? Coming in at number 7 are zipper bracelets. They're super fun, but they do make a little noise. It's pretty small, and you can wear them as a bracelet. Coming in at number 6 are globbles. They're super small and you can fit them in your pocket if you're playing with your friends at recess or something. And they do get dirty easily, but you can just fit them in. You can just, when you're washing your hands, you can just wash them with your hands. Number 6 is pooping unicorns. Pooping unicorns are super fun, and they're even keychains so you can hook them onto your backpack. But they are kind of hard to squeeze sometimes. Like, I'm squeezing with all my might and I can barely get it to come out. Coming in at number 5 are poppet bracelets. They are a little bit loud, but not too loud, and you can wear them as a bracelet if you're playing with your friends or something. Coming in at number 4 are whatever these are called, I forget, but bike chains or infinity chains. They're super small, they can fit in your pocket, and there's also different sizes of like these little band things. I have all 3 different sizes. There's big, medium, and small, like I was playing with just now. Coming in at number 2 are marble mesh. They're super fun to play with, and you can bend them to fit in your pocket. And they're just super fun. And even if you get a little tiny hole in them, you can just do this and it goes back to shape. It's super cool. And number 1 are mochi. I love my little kitty mochi. They're really fun to stretch and poke, and you can wash them when washing your hands too. And if you put hand sanitizer on them, they stick to walls. I've never put hand sanitizer on them before, so I don't know if it actually works, but I've seen YouTube videos about it. So mochis are just fun overall and fit in your pocket easily. And here is a close-up of all my favorites. Mochis, bike chains, Pop-It bracelet, Globble, Marble Mash, Monkey Noodle, Poopin' Unicorn, Zipper bracelet, Wacky Tracks, and Dimples. Bye guys, see you next. Forgot what I was gonna say there, but anyways, see, my school year starts in 2 days. Well, kind of 1.5 because it's evening time, but bye guys, see you next time on Cheeky Meat. Make sure to like and subscribe.